Why chop all going? It's your boy Singh, Zima back with another vlog video. Today we're doing a hike. So we're currently on Blue Mountains. This is what the JDF camp. Yeah, the soldier place, man, on the way to Hollywell. Um, it's actually pretty cool. The Jamaica Military Heritage Trail. I never knew that you could like go around and walk around this place, because when I come up here they're either training, so like I don't really stop, or it just looks kind of restricted. But apparently you can just like walk in and see what they got going on up there. So I'm gonna go upstairs and see because there's absolutely no point in sticking to the status quo. Have you guys been? Have you guys been enjoying the vlog? This is so pretty. And then look at Beanie Kingston there. Hi guys. I've had a terrible week. But that doesn't change the fact that I just have to keep a positive mindset. Regardless of what happens, just keep a positive mindset, because it doesn't make sense you dwell on anything that happens, whether it be work, relationships, finances. There's no point in dwelling on it. It already happened. You get me? Whatever happens, or whatever happened, already happened. So what's the point of beating yourself up if it already happened? The only thing you can do is learn from it, maybe adapt, or maybe it's just accepting the reality of the situation. Maybe it's just accepting where you are, what happened, and just moving on and just moving forward. I think it's TJ Hunt, and his motto is keep moving forward, and he's right, man. In the good and the bad, the only thing you can do is go this way. There's no point in worrying about the past, and there's no point in worrying about what's behind you. You just gotta keep moving forward. But anyways, we're doing a 2-mile hike, a 5-mile bike, and we're going to end the day with a waterfall. This is with Blue Mountain Tours. I didn't know this thing existed until someone reached out to me and said, "Hey, are you interested in doing a hike, bike, and a waterfall?" I was like, "Huh? Of course." Do you know who you're talking to? You're talking to Mr. Adventure himself. Yeah, up here is really nice still.
Guys, I just want to know, sir. I'm on a hike since last year, May, Zima, and right about now, I back on my bed, me you want to go. So let me tell you what's going to happen. If I, at any point in the trail, say, yo, I can't do this, I turn back. Simple, I turn back.
That's crazy.
I only got 2 hours of sleep.
You're not. No, nobody slept. Nobody slept. It was Friday night. Remember, so last night was Friday. No? Just remember that.
Who told me?
To agree to this part.
Freaking cookies.
Look at us being the.
Is that the new adult, guys?
Oh boy, that's crazy. But yeah, guys, we're going back in the bus right now. So I'll catch you guys back when we're actually on the trail, or when I just feel to actually hit you guys up or to go to the camera. Last thing I want to do, to be honest, is force these vlogs out, or force to be in the vlogging mood. So
this is a coffee plant. This is what a coffee plant looks like.
So we're here at Blue Mountain Experiences, and they just taught us how coffee is grown and how they get it to the actual ground thing. But I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't there because they called me to do this swing situation, this like Bali swing thing, So I missed the entire lesson. So it was super short, but I'm going to go on this swing and overlook the bluest of mountains. I'm not scared of heights. I actually enjoy doing unique stuff like this, to be honest. And this don't look too bad. It's a starting though, but this don't look too bad. There's like a path here. Oh, that's the problem. Okay. Yikes. These flowers are very, very, very pretty. I'm gonna come back and grab one. Maybe two. Maybe grab 3 of the flowers.
No.
What do you mean? No. I'm gonna steal one. I don't care what you say.
No, it's gonna die.
It's not going to. How is it going to die?
Are you gonna take the whole plant?
No.
The flower is gonna die.
Yeah, but I can enjoy it.
You can enjoy it and it lives.
That's true.
Oh! The sound effect.
You're right.
It's recording, Barney? You can speak here.
So everybody who feels that I'm a forgot Bali for getting a swing experience up in the mountains, the bluest of mountains actually. You know exactly where to come. Tough.
No need to go to Bali, guys.
Tell him again.
We have it right here in Central. Where were they? Portland?
At the top of the Blue Mountain, man.
Top of the Blue Mountain.
What do you mean? Okay, hold on. Think about it, right? This came from the ground. And hold on, it grew for however many years before somebody put it to the shape it into the form that it is now in your hand. This is a very special stick. It went through a lot to get here. Think about it. It's perspective, you know. It's really all about special, and it's yours. That's what's awesome. Everyone has their own individual stick. Listen, if you guys don't understand the excitement, my excitement for this stick after hearing what I've said, then you just don't really get it. And if you don't get it, so be it. Stick. Right? Oh, you have one of those. You have one of those like regular.
With a hand strap.
Gotcha. That's bougie.
Wooden stick. Wow. Giving ghetto.
It's giving nature. Remember, I said we're hiking, you know.
Yeah, so that's when the hand strap.
First of all, you look like you're blind right now with the hand strap.
Right now you're 2,700 feet above sea level. We're going to hike up to the mountain villages, to a coffee plantation and finish at 5,000 feet.
Not Jada Kingdom.
So these kids would have to walk 2 to 3 miles back and forth.
10,000 steps a day, that's why them
No
stay
school
fit.
bus system. So the kids would have to walk up all the way over there. See those houses on the hilltop over there? Kids would have to walk up all the way over there.
Guys, look at this old chimney that we found. I will touch it with my stick. We are now connected to the chimney. Tough. Tough. I like the yellow with the white. Very unique vehicle there. I'm not a Suzuki person. However, chimneys are actually very tough. And I've seen people carry chimneys very, very, very far. So yeah, just food for thought still. If you're looking for a reliable motor car and you don't want to be like a regular moms with a Swift, just get a chimney. Get a chimney, you know? If you're a taxi man, get a Pro Box. See me?
Let's just connect and be one with nature.
Well, that's what I've been doing. That's what I've been trying to tell y'all
You're
to do.
vlogging.
But I'm vlogging. I'm not using something. I'm documenting.
People that's not there.
I'm documenting my adventure.
You're so messy.
I'm documenting my adventure.
Oh, just a little skit. Sometimes you have to talk to yourself, you know. A tad.
You know, I'm not vlogging around you guys again. I'm not vlogging around you guys again. It's crazy. Anyways, guys, get over the fear of your friends judging you, because they will, as you can see, they will judge you.
Who's judging you?
But not it don't have to be a bad thing. But you know,
We're just stating facts.
let me speak. People will judge you. Some people will be like, that's so weird of you to do. Some people will be like, oh, that's really cool. However, it's your life. You're in control. And you can do anything that you want to do because you have free will. And you are able to exercise that free will at your own discretion. I'm walking up my steep hill, so I'm gonna come up with a vlog. Walking up this with the thin air. I'm running out of breath.
Hi guys.
Active.
We have sticks.
Sticks of truth. Active. As you can see, over here you have the bluest mountains, you know what I'm saying? That was made by God himself.
That is it.
Zima, say I have to be grateful. I'm here and alive right now. Looking at this, I'm able to see.
Hey, you guys want pictures?
That was so unorthodox.
Yes, sir, right now I need something for energy, you know. Them not gonna start wild star fruit about the place.
Didn't you drink any coffee? That's what the coffee
He
was
does
for.
not like coffee.
Oh, Jaja,
Yeah, but
bro.
tastes good, yeah.
Boring. I mean, you don't like coffee. You don't like the swing. You need to.
You
just
don't
go
like
home.
nothing. Yeah, you're in the wrong. You're in the.
This is the group for the risk take.
You gonna swim? You gonna swim? Yeah. Okay.
At least he's in something.
Yo, you know my biggest mistake? I didn't stretch at all.
Limber.
To stretch.
Yeah, that's just the wrong thing, my boy.
Easy number your legs. I'm gonna climb up there one day to the peak. It's somewhere behind this hill, they said. That looks pretty high, but they said the peak is over there. So this is what life is about.
That's wonderful.
Views, mountains,
No,
good people. Alright guys, so we just went on the bike tour. I didn't bring my camera because I didn't know what the situation was going to be like, and I don't have my GoPro again. Really hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, and it's not over yet. So right now I'm gonna get some food, and then we're gonna go down to the waterfall, catch a little swim, catch a little splish splash. I think I'm going to actually pull out my hair while I'm down there. Like, it's not ready yet, but I'm ready to get like pull it out. So I'm gonna just pull it out, get a good like natural rinse through my scalp, and have a good time. Amani,
Hey guys.
what go on?
Tired. I'm hungry.
You hungry? So come get some food then.
Biking was so fun. The last
It was
Waterfall.
fun. No man, you nearly
No,
right way off still. You nearly right way off.
Listen, and it's full of mud in it. I thought
What?
I was gonna skid and go over the mountain, and that was the end of me.
I know nobody warned us in a car. We are coming hot. I think it was a good bike though.
It's
I think it was a
fun.
good biking
It's been
experience.
a really fun day.
So can you tell them where we are, what we're doing, where they can find you, where they can find
So
us, whatever.
we are at Blue Mountain. We're doing the Blue Mountain bike and hike tour. So we're gonna get food and then we're gonna bike to a waterfall. You guys can find me at afro.amanime.
Billy.
TikTok, Instagram. What is under my nose?
I'm out. Okay, so I didn't know about this second biking session, so you guys can actually get a good little puff. So welcome to the bicycle portion of this vlog. As I mentioned before, it wasn't really like the best week for me, but this has really allowed me to clear my mind. Here and last night, I went out last night. I went to a party. Fridays. Yes, I won't lie. It was tough because I'm starting to realize that most of these events are just for people to pose. Like, most people don't really want to have a good time anymore. A lot of people just drink, stand up, and bust blank. And I'm not really about that life still. I actually do enjoy going to a good party where people dance, whether it be, you know, gal dancing or like routine dancing, and actually enjoying the music, singing along, participating in the energy, participating in the vibes. And Fridays just actually provided that. Yeah, it was honestly a pretty cool experience. I feel like everybody who went there went with the intention to have a good time, and a good time was had, you know. This Blue Mountain trail hike bike situation, I've really been able to connect back with nature. I've been able to breathe some fresh air. I've been able to think. I've been able to think clearly without any distractions. No real need for social media right now. Like, just enjoying the bike, the vlog, nature, friends. And yeah, you know, I will say though, getting up early is not for the faint of heart. Like, I don't think. Oh, pothole. Pothole again. I don't think anybody was prepared to get up this morning. Like, everybody probably did do something last night, or most of us went to bed at 4 a.m. Got about like 6, 7. But yeah, it's good to clear your mind. It's good to get your head away from the things that have happened, and again, just putting those things behind you and allowing the future to just happen and take place. You see me? There's no point in being upset anymore. There's no point in being frustrated anymore. There's no point in dwelling on the negative things that have happened in the past. You have to be able to think positively and keep moving forward. Sharp turn! I'm gonna have to come to a really slow, yeah. Look at this, bro. Look at this is what life is supposed to. Oh! This is what life is supposed to be about. This is what life is supposed to be like. Riding bikes in the mountains with your friends. Just enjoying the views. Cruising along. Oh! Cruising along, you know? Just doing your thing. Just doing your thing. I know why it's nicer too, because it's just going downhill. Look at that view, bro. Look at that view, bro. You don't get this any and everywhere. Yeah, bro. I have to say, my dog. Them there, fam.
Guys, life is a journey. And honestly, on this life, you will hit many potholes. But it is up to you to just through the pothole, them, you see me?
And keep doing what?
Believing.
Believing.
Always remember, guys, one life.
Wise words from Professor Barton. See that? Be a pothole. Yo. I hope you guys are enjoying this little bike ride still, cause hope you guys are enjoying this little bike ride still, cause I know it's like a bit unorthodox, but I'm enjoying myself, and I think it's good to just get a little visual of what the world has to offer. Welcome to the Blue Mountains in Jamaica. We're currently on the Portland side, and we're heading to a waterfall. We're bicycling to a waterfall. It's actually crazy to think about. Look at that little bridge over there. That's so cool. Let's finish up this journey. I think we're almost there. Oh, we're still going? Yo, this is actually so tough, dog. Alright, so we rode from all the way. Can you guys even see that? Yeah, that little building right there. That's where we're coming from. That's crazy.
come on up a bit closer. Come on up.
Bike life. Look at this waterfall that we found. Alright, here we are at our final destination. The little waterfall, pond, river situation, whatever this is. Yeah. Look at that. Life sweetie. No Betty milk. Look at that. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that vlog video, and I really hope that the message of letting go and keep moving forward resonated with you guys, and you guys could actually feel that message throughout the video. My camera actually died right after that clip, so there is no more to show. We ended up driving to St. Mary and then coming back around into Kingston through Stony Hill, which was just a crazy drive. The views were simply immaculate. But really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to learn how to figure out what you want to do and to monetize your passions, join my free community down below. It's called Summit Society, and I know that you guys will get a lot of value from being a part of this group. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next week if you enjoyed the video.